Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing, also known as Lady B. In today's video, I will show you guys how to add text and animations on Capcut. As a beginner, so you click on Capcut, you click on the video you want to edit. You allow it to load, you allow the video to load. Then I've already in my previous video, I showed you guys how to trim a video. So in case the video is not smooth, you still need to cut unnecessary parts. You can trim your video before you start adding text to your video. Then you click on anything you want to, then you type on anything you want to type on your video. Like my name is a day in my life, vlog with me, anything you feel like typing. And if you want to also like position the text, you can just click on the text and you drag it to any part, any site you want the text to be, whether left, whether down, any part you want the text to be. Just click on the video, click on the text, then you adjust it. And after that, you go to front side, you change the font you want, choose any font you feel like you want, you love, just play along with it. Front, style, effect, animations, just play along with it. Explore yourself. I can't be telling you guys everything, just explore. Then after that, you see under the animation, you see in, out, and loom. In is how the video started, how you want the write-up to like come in. Then out is how you want the write-up to go back. Then the loom is how you want the write-up to stay on the screen. Just play with it, explore yourself. And you can see what you are seeing on the screen. You can see how it went there and how the write-up stays on the screen, the way it was shaking. And if your video is long and you want to drag and you want the write-up to reach the end of the video, just click on the write-up and drag it to the end of the video. Or if you don't want it to long, if you don't want it to reach the end of the video, you make it short by you clicking on the text, you drag in or you drag out. That's all for today class. And before I forget, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy Capcut Pro tutorial. See you guys in my next class. Bye.